practical problem for you all. So we have to find the value of x in this. Now let me write it down again. That's x, square root of x is equal to 2. So I'm going to square this on both sides, square on both sides. So this root and square gets cancelled, so you're left with x times root of x is equal to 2 squared. Now I'm going to square this again, square on both sides. Now what do we have? X squared times root and square gets cancelled, so I have x, then root x is equal to 2 to the power of 4. Now I'm going to square again, so that will be equal to x to the power of 4 times x squared, and this root and square gets cancelled, so you're left with x is equal to 2 to the power of 8. Then when I have same basis in this multiplication, I'll just add up the powers. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 8. And now that's equal to x to the power of 7 is equal to 2 to the power of 8. Now what I'm going to do is just multiply the exponents by 1 over 7 on both sides. So here 7 and 7 gets cancelled, so you're left with x is equal to 2 to the power of 8 over 7. And as you know, 8 over 7 can be written as 2 to the power of 1 over 7. And this, you can split the term. X is equal to 2 to the power of 1 times 2 to the power of 1 over 7. Is that right? Because 1 over 7 is 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 over 7. And this you can split it as this way. Now, what do I have? 2 to the power of 1 times 2 to the power of 1 over 7. So this can be written as 2, and this is 7th root of 2. 7th root of 2. So this is the answer.